Welcome back my YouTube channel Old Car Stories. Today, we take you on a journey back in time to explore history. This car 1969 Chevrolet El Camino, United States. The El Camino was never just a car, and it wasn't just a truck either. It was something in between, a unique blend that defied categories. With the front end of a Chevelle and the rear of a pickup bed, it challenged expectations from the moment it rolled off the production line. But the 1969 model? That was something special, a sweet spot in design, power, and personality. By 1969, the El Camino had already been around for a few years, first appearing in 1959 and then reintroduced in 1964 based on the Chevelle platform. But the third generation, introduced in 1968 and continued into 1969, brought sharper lines, a longer wheelbase, and a more aggressive stance. It was no longer a quirky in-betweener. It was a bold statement. The 1969 El Camino was built on the A-body platform, shared with the Chevelle. This gave it that familiar, muscular profile. Its dual personality was more refined now, offering true muscle car performance while still carrying the practicality of a small pickup. It could haul lumber in the morning and cruise Main Street at night. Visually, the 69 El Camino had a confident look. It featured a wide grille, quad headlights, and a slightly bulged hood that hinted at the power beneath. The body lines were smooth but aggressive. It was unmistakably late 60s in design, bold, chrome-accented, and full of American attitude. Under the hood, the El Camino offered a range of engine choices. You could get a modest six-cylinder if you just needed utility. But real enthusiasts went for the V8s. The 327 and 350 small blocks were popular, but for those who wanted true performance, there was the legendary 396 cubic inch big block V8, available in several power levels, including up to 375 horsepower. This made the 1969 El Camino SS 396 more than just a stylish ride. It was a muscle machine in disguise. It could run the quarter mile in the low 14ths and still carry a full load in the bed. That blend of performance and practicality made it a favorite among a wide range of drivers, from hot rodders to hard-working tradesmen. The SS package brought more than just power. It added distinctive badging, rally wheels, upgraded suspension, and often came with a blacked-out grille and hood stripes. It turned the El Camino from a stylish hauler into a street icon. If you saw one at a red light, you knew it meant business. Inside, the El Camino was as comfortable as any Chevelle of the day. Bucket seats, optional center console, AM/FM radio, and even air conditioning were available. This wasn't a bare-bones work truck. It was a cruiser, a gentleman's muscle car that just happened to have a bed in the back. Chevrolet marketed the El Camino as the car that could do it all. And in many ways, it could. Need to go to the lumber yard? No problem. Want to impress on date night? It had the looks. Ready to tear up the drag strip on the weekend? If you had the SS, you were set. Collectors today see the 1969 model as one of the most desirable El Caminos ever made. Its classic muscle car styling, variety of engine options, and limited production numbers make it a standout. Original SS 396 models, especially with matching numbers, can fetch high prices at auctions and car shows, but it's not just about the money. For many enthusiasts, the El Camino represents a time when cars had personality, when each model had a distinct look and feel. The 1969 El Camino wasn't trying to be everything to everyone. It just was what it was, and people loved it for that. Driving one today is an experience that's hard to match. The deep rumble of the V8, the long hood stretching out in front, the feeling of raw mechanical connection between driver and machine. There's no touchscreen, no driving aids, just you and the road. The El Camino also had cultural staying power. It appeared in countless movies and TV shows, often driven by characters who were rugged, rebellious, or just plain cool. It became a symbol, not just of performance, but of a lifestyle that didn't follow the rules. While other manufacturers tried their hand at car-truck hybrids, few had the lasting impact of the El Camino. Ford's Ranchero came first, But it was the El Camino that captured the imagination of muscle car fans and utility seekers alike. Its legacy lives on. Even today, the El Camino inspires passion. Custom builders turn them into drag racers, lowriders, or pristine restorations. Car clubs across the U.S. keep the spirit alive, and owners share stories of their El Caminos being passed down from one generation to the next. The 1969 Chevrolet El Camino wasn't just built for a job, it was built for a journey. A journey that could take you from worksite to weekend, from back roads to boulevards. It was American ingenuity on four wheels, wrapped in steel and chrome. And that's the magic of the El Camino. It dared to be different. In a world of categories, it broke the mold. And in doing so, it earned a permanent place in the hearts of car lovers everywhere.